What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to Bronco Adventures. I'm sorry about my voice. I'm just a little hoarse today, and this is a big horse, so we'll get through it together. You remember back to our 68 Bronco video? I referred to the Bronco as utilitarian. Well, I think that applies to these new Broncos as well. But because the new Broncos is, well, new, there's not much out there yet for it. So the things you can add can make this truck better or worse. It's hard to say. But what we got today that we're going to put on the Bronco, I think is going to make it better and just make it a little bit simpler, easier to use. You know, it'll be better. That's what I'm saying. Let's get to it. So let me tell you about today's sponsor, Musology Auto. They got with us and said, hey, you keep jumping your Bronco and stuff's going everywhere inside. You, your kids, all your junk, you got to have places to put it. Well, they make products that just go right in place. You can find them on the Amazon. Just type it on in there and they pop up. They don't only have parts for Broncos, they've got parts for all other makes and models of vehicles as well. Just go ahead and check them out. So what they sent us today is some cool components that are just so simple and easy to install that anybody can do it, and I mean that. You get these little cups that go in between the door handle and the door panel. You know, you put your phone there, you know, ketchup for your fries, whatever you want, you know, dip and drive and eat. You can do that. The other thing they sent us was these nifty little deals that go by the grab handle on the passenger side. There's also one for the driver's side. Then, my wife's favorite part. If you have kids, you know the disaster that kids will make in the back seat. Kids made in the back seat. There's a garbage bag that they produce that even has a light in here, and they even send you pre-fit garbage bags in here. How simple. And it shuts with a magnet. It just simply connects to the back of the seat and you're good to go. And, you know, it's a Bronco thing. You wouldn't understand. Wait, we don't even want to do that because that's one of those, I don't even want to say that word. That's one of those other four-wheel drive guys things. We do understand because we have a Bronco. We waited a long time for this. Anywho, then this might look weird, but when it's installed, you know, it's an organizer for your glove box. So when you're jumping your Bronco, stuff's shifting. Now it has a home to live in. Let's put all this in the Bronco and see what we think about it. Well, here it is, guys. The little cup, or whatever you want to call it, that goes in between the door handle and the door panel. They even have these nice little rubber inserts, you know, to keep in there. Whatever you have in there won't jingle jangle around. It's as simple as a piece of foam that keeps it nice and tight in there. So here again, it doesn't jiggle jangle around. You don't want any more of that. If you're like me, new noises, especially while you're off-roading, drive you nuts. So hopefully this keeps us good and quiet. But this is a pretty lengthy install. I don't know if you can handle it, but I mean, you're done. It just goes right in place. It's made to fit and just sits down in there. Now, you know, you take your things and, well, you put them in there and it won't fall through the door. You know, you can put more in there. It's pretty cool. They don't have these just for a 4-door or a 2-door. They have them for both 4 and 2-door. So, we'll get to putting those in the rest of the doors. Door number 2. I'm sorry to take so much of your time with this install because it's just so rough that I don't know what I'm doing. We definitely should have hired this job out because, man, it's definitely for the big bucks. But while I got you, why don't you hit the subscribe button, comment something. There's going to be a link to everything we have in this video down below. Just get down in there and check it out. Let's go to the next door. Contrary to popular belief, fellers, you can do two at the same time. Now, if you can handle this part, this is the hardest part. All you got to do with this piece is pull this red sticky tape off, and then you just hook it on there, and then, you know, stick it, and you're done. Oh, and hey, while we're here, you know, my wife just thinks that you can put anything, whatever. Oh, that's mine. Oh, that's mine. Oh, that's hers. She just leaves stuff everywhere. These are mine. Oh, and that's definitely mine. So my wife just got mad at me. Apparently now I get to ride in the passenger side of the Bronco from now on. And, well, we're all gonna die. Now we get to install this nifty glove box organizer. I'm warning you, I haven't been in here for a minute. So, it's not too bad. This riding in the passenger seat thing's gonna be fine. Got your toolkit in there, you know, some napkins, so when you get, you know, dribbles in your beard, you can wipe up. We got stickers in here, more stickers. If you ever see us out and about, we'll give you a sticker. Just come say hi. We like to talk Broncos, apparently. And we got more stuff. Oh, look at that. Oh, I just restored our Bronco. It's brand new. Don't mind the dust. It's from the transport. We got all sorts of maps and four-wheel drive part. Look, there's stickers in here. Wow. Anyhow. Yeah. Oh, yeah, when we bought it, you know. Oh, look at that. Our build sheet. We probably should frame this. No, we don't want to be that guy. We'll keep it, though. Oh, finally. Made it to the... Well, that's not good. So now that we've got the glove box empty of all large debris, you know, the crumbs can stay. We're going to take ownership of our Bronco again. And then you just take this organizer and just slip it right in. It's easy. And then, well, you take your owner's manual that's still wrapped up because, well, it'll make the Bronco more valuable in the future. Put that in there. Well, you just organize, you know, everything in there. Your box of stickers goes right there. You can put your sunglasses in here because that's when you need them in a hurry. You just flip down the glove box. This is actually really convenient. Now there's no reason for me to keep my side of the Bronco a mess. You know what I'm saying? Well, now let's go install the next hard thing. Well, so here we are on the wife's side of the Bronco. Better give her an organizer too. Peel off the tape. Just hooks right to yonder. Stuck. That's really nice, actually. See, if I was still allowed to drive the Bronco, my knee would hit that. Maybe I'll have to take it for a ride when she's not around. We'll see about that. I will decide. Yep. I'm in fear for my life. Serious question. Where do babies come from? And why do they take up the backseat of my Bronco? I mean, my wife's Bronco. But even seriouser question. Who designs these things? Because they're hard to get out of here, even with practice. Well, here we are in the jungle, you know, where the 3 kids ride around, making a mess, obviously. What is that? It's a fruit snack. It looks like concrete. Anyway, this garbage bag is where that fruit snack should have gone. You know, open it up, throw it away, close it. The way to install this, one clip, dose clip. You just simply take on the back of your seat and you hook this in. Just like so. And now you can keep all the trash behind, you know, the driver. My wife. Yep. And there you have it, guys. The garbage is organized. The pocket in the door is organized. The glove box is organized for who knows how long until we, you know, jump it again. But To put these products in your Bronco is super simple. So shout out to Museology Auto for sponsoring today's video. Now, get off the couch and go create your own adventure. Now I'm going to go take this Bronco for a spin. We'll see you next time.
Other side?
Great.
Bronco Adventures.